Hi everyone, welcome to another Saturday morning mix as well as hashtag two crafters, one design. And this week, Lisa, Gloria, and we all got together to create with cottage cuts dies. So we had to use something we had never used before. And so this is what I chose, that little cup die, and I'll show you everything that I used to create this little cup. And also, if you'd like to join in, hey, pull out a cottage cuts die and use it. Just make sure it's something you've never used before. We want to use our stash. All right, let me show you everything that I used to create this cute card. So, got these enamel dots here. I want to say these came from Michael's years ago, but I could be wrong. And as you see, I used some Tuesday morning enamel dots. I used the color red out of there. Here goes the die that I focused on. This is just such a cute die. However, it was so much smaller than what I had anticipated. Let me show you how small that is. That is just so tiny. I was really shocked at the size of it. But once again, this is what I used. And I used the cookies and this whole little get up here. Really like how that card turned out. The warm winter wishes came from Tiny Tidings from Cards TV, and I used it right there. The paper, the colored paper, except for this, I colored that up. The blue, I colored that. But anyways, everything else came from this paper pack, which is Graphic 45 Children's Hour. And this outer die here, that came from Whimsy Stamps, and that is called Sprinkle Scallop Rectangle Die Set. Love that. And it will go good with sweets, any kind of sweet. And then I was able to use this die here, which is Do It All gift tag from My Favorite Things. I was getting anxious to use this, so I was so happy that I was able to use it. Anyways, I used the outer die, that little rectangle square, and I also used this as well as that. The color markers that I used. Just do this quickly here. These are all from Prisma. I think, yes, Prisma color markers. So we have Scarlet Lake, Dark Brown, Cinnamon Toast. From Copic markers, we have E29, B14, B12, and G07. I also used Crimson Red from them Prisma color markers. And then I used the Azure, the blender pen, and that was just to blend out some of that blue out of that whip topping. But love how that turned out. It's so colorful, so vibrant. Love those enamel dots that I chose. Anyways, so I thought that looked really nice. Love how it turned out. I did use that same sprinkle die in the inside from Whimsy Stamps. But love this, love it. Make sure you head over to Jillian Norwood's channel, and I'll have her link down below as well as the hashtag. And then use the hashtag for ours, hashtag two crafters, one design. And also use the links down below to You See Why I'm a Diva and Gloria's channel, which is Girly Cards, and You See Why I'm a Diva is Lisa's channel. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.